dead, Coriolanus. It was a rebel, they say.
You say that you wanna go to a land that's far away. How are we supposed to get there with the way that we're living today? You talk lots about God. Freedom comes from the call, but that's not what this bitch wants. Not what I want at all. I want money, power, and glory. I want money and all your power, all your glory. Hallelujah. I wanna take you for all that you got. Hallelujah. I'm gonna take them for all that they got.
Send me to 12.
The sun also rises on those who fail the call. My life, it comprises of losses and wins and fails and falls. I can do it if you really, really like that. I know what you really want, baby. I can do it if you think you like that. You should run, boy, run. I want money, power, and glory. I want money and all your power, all your glory. Hallelujah. I wanna take you for all that you got. Hallelujah.
You killed 3? Who's the third? What person you killed, Coriolanus? He said he killed 3 people. I only know about 2. Do not lie to me.
My old self. I killed him so I could come with you. It's still raining.
Well, I'm not made out of sugar.
Snow lands on